Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Waplog app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to photo comments, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here photo comments enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watch.